Hey guys, it's Danny here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my brand new timepiece, right here. So this timepiece is called the Tsar Bomba, and yeah, I was looking for something like a RM Homage watch, and I came across this one. So let's take a look. Wow. The inside of the box is very fancy. Instruction manual and a little covering. And here's the watch itself. Wow. Guys, look at this. Do some cutaways so you can see. But man, solid, heavy built watch. The casing is ceramic top and bottom. It is an automatic movement. See the back here. Take some shots of this one as well. The straps. I think the straps are silicone. I'm not actually sure. But they are very nice quality. Very nice quality. Very soft too. And yeah. Crown is so solid built. Man, this watch is very nice. It's also a 50-meter water resistance, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but sapphire glass, top and bottom. So let's try it on. See how it fits. Oh yeah, the buckle is also steel. And here you go. Wow, look at this. This thing is heavy, but the straps make all the difference. It's so comfortable. Wow, I'm really liking this watch already. Yeah, very nice. Very beautiful piece. So guys, I'm going to be doing more of these unboxing videos in the future. Link in the description for this piece. And until next time guys, hit that like button. Bye bye.